The First Reformed Church of Saddlebrook presents to you Christopher's Chat, weekly inspirational messages that get to the heart of the message about the Lord. And now, here's your host, the Reverend Christopher B. Wolf.
Hi, Pastor Christopher, Christopher's Chat. My good friend David here. I want to talk to you about this room, what happens here. Fellowship is the word for it, but we heard a message today and we're thinking about lifting one another up. See, when we come in here, there's no more me. It's we or he. And that's just a good reminder. Scripture tells us, forgive one another, bear one another's burdens, love one another. This can be the most beautiful portrait of humanity in this room. Paul tells us the way to do that, we're glorifying God, we're seeking to glorify God, and we serve one another. The less me and the less concerned we are about ourselves and serving others, that's how this becomes a place of harmony. This is from Romans chapter 15, if you want to check it out, verses 1 through 9. And I tell you, I've seen some of the most beautiful things about humanity: forgiveness, sacrificing, praying, serving. It all happens here. We want you to be a part of that. You're welcome here. Paul says in that Romans chapter 15, welcome one another as Christ has welcomed you. Christ welcomes everyone. And so, same thing here. We welcome you.
God bless you.